funny thing about women. It was say now women they use men do ritual. They no need to go far. They just come and I'm at home. Please come. Sacrifice already. The only problem why I get with Nigeria girls, we say God give Nigeria girls everything apart from transport. They know they get. From the days here to a better roundabout, the girl go sit there, I don't have transport. 100 naira, 50 naira. I don't know why girls know they get transport. Hey? And when she come your house, her bag V4 come out from your bed. 1,008 go come inside. But now who don't get transport to come see you? Nigeria girl, once you just tell any Nigeria girl say you like her papa go hospital. Her data go finish. Credit go finish. Hungry go beat her for 2 years. They had that for school. You never buy her. Once you tell them, but if you not tell them say you like them, everything they go well. To like Nigeria girl now scam. That's why some people they complain. Women, so the girl, you know they respect me. My brother, listen to me. Women they respect who they want respect. No be wetin you do make woman they respect you. Now she just want respect you. You no get anything where you want do for woman where who better pass you know they offer her. Some men don't get conscience. They invite them, make a call see you. The girl tell you say she they come from her papa. They hear man, they direct woman. Hello? Yes. So just enter motor go to my two. When you get to my two, enter motor go to Sele. When you get to Sele, cross. Once you cross, you see where they are shouting, Ikotu. Enter Ikotu. Once you get to Ikotu, you will trek small. You will not enter Keke that is going to Igando. You will not cross. You will not see one Paco. You will not trek near one police station. Just be trekking that you will see me. Just to come see you under hot sun. See what they put person picking. As they pass through that stress, another person use Range Rover Sport. They beg them, baby, where are you going to? Can I take you out for lunch? If now you be the guest, swear say you go continue to go where you go. That's why girl go tell you I'm on my way. Sometimes she go tell you I'm sorry, something came up. Who better pass you the road? So anything what you they do, some guys go say, my babe, she they fear me die. Once I do like this, you go maintain. I say see you. Even that thing what you do where she just calm down, as she calm down, so she just they look you. For her mind, the only song where they call her mind now. Oh yeah, see brother. Brother, we move. You don't know. But I forget to women are powerful. No marry anyhow. Even Bible Zacchaeus 42 verse 8. Say the woman where you marry now go determine how long you go live on earth. These women they don't get conscience. So you know say men get them no get to. Or ya when last na here say heart attack kill woman for Nigeria. They don't get what they think. No, they think anything. They let you where women they think not to hate their fellow women. Woman go just there see get where you don't know him before as you get the pass you go yeah. And you don't know him before. What you? Women they try you. Even women they fear women. And I asked my neighbor before, I said, auntie, you not go on a village meeting today? She said, no, I beg, I don't get strength for women. Wahala. I said, women, they run for women. I can't say we will be men, more they pull head. Some guys go say, don't you know I'm a woman? Okay, so because you be woman, man, you don't get sense. My brother, full adult, who don't pass 18 years, to get sense, now be problem. You and girl go there ask for money till night. You won't come out in the evening, man, you go drink. You go squeeze face like where they test bullet. So you want to leave me in this house? But I'm here, you this is money. And you know say women that they do opposite. Men, listen. Before I come out for women matter, women they do opposite of what men they do. If you like them, they don't go like you. if you check well, most of the guy wey girls dey die for na who no get their time. That you wey like them well wey fit kill yourself for them, dem no dey. I know say girl wey be virgin to you na prostitute another person. Hello. Na true. Girl don come house before now. Tell me, I don't like visiting guys in their house. I say, yeah, may we go hotel. He say, which hotel? I say, mo go Baron Suit. He say, no. So I'm back that hotel, room 1 to room 8. Their bed they make noise. They make quick. And I will tell me say be virgin, no sir. Hey, now wow, women are wonderful. Now they very smart. No only woman you are not go there. She go just carry head, put for your chest. Come ask you, do you really love me? I know say if man won't lie, his heart go skip. Your heartbeat go change one, they no burn you well. You can't hear, do you really love me? The one where they shock me pass. Sometimes you and woman go there, una go lock down, una don't play, kiss, come on cloth, come on trouser, come on singlet. As you want come on bossa, the guy will come ask you, what are you trying to do? What it be like say I want do? Two adults, we don't naked. That's what are you trying to do? Some of them, the one where they was pass, they go allow you come on boss out as you want plug your charger for socket. You can't hear. There's something I want to ask you. Do you really love me? You think I go tell you no for there? Why be say women like who they like give them? When they some of them they will allow you when you don't finish. You can hear they will call they interview you like say they be Galaxy Television. Maybe you have gotten what you wanted now. So what are we now? Now tell the guy say we are nothing but pencils in the hand of the Creator. But to get money good though, and they tell people to fat no be problem. If you fat, get money join now. No go the inconvenience people for inside keke because of 15 naira. No, Brasha could not be at the follow talk. Me and Brasha again, we don't want enter keke before now. Now as the keke see shege, now he say na chatter. We say don't be chatter, carry us normal. He say una no normal, and na shege they talk to. And cause you know say me I be upcoming shege, so shege. Get money. If you don't get money, maintain your station small. See go Henry. You don't get money, you get small station. See talk machine, you don't get money small. You don't the hard weight. Some people say about you don't fat. As I no slim before, now hungry won't kill me that time. Won't know me. You don't get money now. That's why you get small station. If you shop money, your true color go come out. Oh, you think say now your true color be this? DJ play. Oh yeah, see brother.